Acha, so students, today I will discuss the structure of myofibril and sarcomere. Acha, see, in the previous class we have discussed that within the muscle cell, some myofibrils are present. These are the myofibrils, this elongated structure that is present inside the myofiber is called myofibrils. Okay, just see, this is the myofibrils and the entire structure is the muscle cells or the myofibers. Within these myofibers, cylindrical myofibrils are present, and these myofibrils have some compartments just like the train compartment. See, this is one compartment, this one another compartment, this one another compartment, and these compartments are divided by these margins which I have shown with red color. So each compartment is called sarcomeres, and these margins are called Z-line boundary or the Z lines. See, this is Z line, this is Z line, this is Z line, this is another Z line. Okay, so within the myofibrils, the spaces between the two Z lines is sarcomere. This is a portion of sarcomere, this is a portion of sarcomere, this is a portion of sarcomere. Clear? So now we will discuss the detailed structure of the sarcomere. Just imagine that we have pulled out one of the myofibrils here, and here I am trying to show you the enlarged view of this myofibril. Suppose this myofibril is taken out, okay, and this enlarged view is this entire myofibrils. Okay, now we have to know that what are the parts that are present within the myofibril. First, we have found that within this is the muscle cells. Within the muscle cells, myofibrils are present. Now, again, we have to pull out one of the myofibril, and we have to see that what are present inside this myofibrils. So here, just I am trying to show you the enlarged view or zoometric view of the one myofibrils. Clear? See, within these myofibrils, mainly two types of filaments are present. One is the thin filament and second one is the thick filament. Thin filament is mainly made up of actin protein. Though there are two other proteins are there, we will discuss in the next class. But just remember that the thin filament is mainly made of actin filament, and the thick filament is made up of myosin mainly. So see, this is the entire structure of myofibril. So see here the compartments. This is the Z lines. Here also I have shown the Z lines. This one is the Z line. This one is the Z line. With the black colored, here I have shown this is the thin filament. They appear just in like parallel line. This one is the thin filament. This one thin filament. Okay. Similarly here also thin filament. These are the thin filament. This is also the thin filament. Okay. And just in between these thin filaments, a straight connective tissue layer is present that is called Z line. Here I have already shown this is the Z line. See, towards the middle portion of the thin filament, Z line is present. Here also a Z line is present. Here also Z line is present, and these are also these thin filaments which is made up of mainly actin protein. Clear up to this point? See, again I have shown here the sarcomere region, means the spaces between two Z line, this Z line and this Z line. This middle portion is called, this middle entire portion is called sarcomere. Means entire this portion. Again entire this portion is another sarcomere. So now we have already known that how the thin filaments are arranged within the myofibril. Second one is the thick filament which is made up of myosin. These one are the thick filaments. See, this blue colored bands I have shown. These are the thick filaments. This one are the thick filaments. But see, these thick filaments, some parts are incorporated in the thin filament region. See, up to this point, up to this region is the thin filament. But see, some part is incorporated here. Here also some part is incorporated. Here some part of the thick filament is incorporated. Okay, see here also. Some part of the thick filament is incorporated in the thin filament region. Again, towards the middle of the thick filament, M line is present. Here Z line is present in between the thin filaments. Here M line is present. Here also M line is present. Clear up to this point? How the thick filament and thin filaments are arranged within the myofibril. Okay. Now we have to learn some specific bands. See, these are the region up to which the thick filaments are arranged. Means from this region to this region. This is called A band or anisotropic band. Means the total region of thick filament. This total region of thick filament, suppose this total region of thick filament is called A band. Again this total is called A band. Here I have not marked, but this is also A band. Means entire this region only. Okay, this is called A band. Similarly, there should be the I band region, but see, some part of this thin filament is incorporated in the thick filament region. Okay, that means I band means only this region, means on the individual thin filament region, this region, not the entire thin filament region, only the individual thin filament region. Means the part of the thin filament except the part that is incorporated in the A band. That means the part, suppose this part or this part is incorporated into the A band. So these are not under I band region. I band means only this portion. Sirf ye wala hissa. Means the part that is not incorporated into the thick filament or A band region. But A band means the entire thick filament region. Pura ye wala region. Thick filament ka region. लेकिन आई बैंड मतलब सिर्फ द इंडिविजुअल इतना तक. Some part is incorporated into the A band. These are not under the I band. Clear? So now see here it is written that one sarcomere. See, sarcomere means the space between these two Z line. This one is the Z line, this one is the Z line. So in between this region is called sarcomere. This region is called sarcomere. So one sarcomere contain half I band. See, half of this one is the sarcomere, one sarcomere, this portion. So it contains, see, half of the I band. This one is the full I band region, but it contains half I band region. See, this one is the half I band region. Here also half I band region. Okay. Half I band region plus full A band region. Within this sarcomere, full A band region means full this region. This is the A band region. So full A band region and two half I band region. This one and this one. Okay. Just keep in mind that I band means not the full region of the thin filament. Only this region only. Means the part that is incorporated into the ye wala, this is the total thin filament, but this filament region is incorporated into the thick filament region. This one also. So except these two part, only this middle portion is called I band. That means sarcomere means एक sarcomere के अंदर क्या क्या है? Half I band, again half I band and the full A band. Okay, so this is the entire structure of the myofibrils. Means within the myofibrils how these two filaments are present. Okay, on the next class we have to discuss the structure of this protein, mainly actin protein, myosin proteins and two other proteins are there. Okay, 4 proteins are there, we have to know. Okay, just go through it and try to understand the I band region and the A band region. Z lines, M lines. Okay, thick filament, thin filament. Okay.